under this arrangement, we were able to keep our prices within an allowable limit. So as we entered the conflict in the region, our prices were much lower than our neighbors. So naturally, that forces our neighbors to look to us for supply. So we had panic buying, especially around the border posts, and that in a way reduced the supplies that were available for Uganda. But you will note in the last few weeks we've worked with the different districts, especially Office of the President and the resident district commissioners and other security organs, and we've ensured we manage that. For example, we were having tankers, even sometimes bulldozers. We saw bulldozers, construction bulldozers in Busia, coming in and fueling. So we had to stop those bulk purchases that are not justified. And as a result, we then gained a level of stability. And in the last few weeks, we've not had major supply gaps.